Good morning, student. Today we are going to see few questions from exercise 9a so that you may solve the assignment that has been given to you and you may not face any difficulty. So question number 1 is find the gain or loss percent if CP is rupees 200 and SP is rupees 224. So definitely cost price is 200 and selling price is rupees 224, so we are gaining a profit. So profit is equals to SP minus CP, that is 224 minus 200. We are getting rupees 24 as an answer. Gain percent or profit percent is the same thing. So profit upon cost price into 100. So profit is 24, cost price is 200, then into 100. We will get 12% as the answer. Clear? Now let's see another one. Second part of this question. CP is equals to rupees 450 and SP is equals to rupees 400. Okay, so again, see over here you can see that CP cost price is 450 and selling price is 400. Okay, so it is the person is gaining a loss. So loss will be CP cost price minus the selling price. So 450 minus 400, this will be 50 rupees 50. Okay, and when we have to take out the loss percent, that will be loss upon cost price into 100. Okay, gain percent or loss percent is always calculated on the base of the cost price. Okay, so this is 50 upon 450 into 100. Clear? This will be cut, and 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 45. Clear? Just see 100 upon 9. Okay, and when we will calculate this one, so I'm showing you over here how to do it. Okay, 9 ones are 9, 1 is left, then again 0, 9 ones are 9 again. So we are getting an answer 11.1111% is the answer. I hope it is clear. Now question number 2 is saying that Rohit bought a tape recorder for rupees 1500 and sold it for rupees 1800. Calculate his loss or profit percent. So in solution, we will write the things that are given first. So cost price of tape recorder is rupees 1500. SP of tape recorder is rupees 1800. So here SP is more, so obviously it is a profit. That will be SP minus CP. So 1800 minus 1500, you will get rupees 300. Clear? See, now the profit percent will be profit, that is 300 upon CP, that is 15, and multiply by 100. This 0 will be cut and this will be there. it is going 20 times, so 20% is the answer. I hope you have understood very clearly. Okay, let's see question number 3. An article bought for rupees 350 is sold at a profit of 20%. Find SP. Okay, let's see what is being given. So CP of an article, this is rupees 350, and profit percent is 20% of CP. Okay, 20% of CP means profit will be 20% of CP. So 20 upon 100 into CP, the 0 will be cut and this will be cut. So 35 twos is 70, 5 twos are 10 and 3 twos are 6 plus 1 7. Clear? Now we know that profit is equals to SP minus CP. Okay, so profit we have got 70 rupees and we have to calculate what is SP, and CP is being given, that is 350. Okay, now when this negative sign and this number will go towards the left hand side, so sign will be changed, and that is 350 plus 70. So what you are actually getting is 420. I hope you have understood very well. Okay, so thank you.